Hello guys, good morning. So it's a very chilly morning here, and it's a breakfast time. And my wife does these amazing recipe videos. So after watching one of them, there's one that I like most, that is how to prepare mandazi. So I decided to watch the video again, and I'm going to prepare mandazi following her recipe. So guys, stay tuned, because this is going to be interesting, as I want to make the real thing that she made, because it was very delicious. So stay tuned and you can watch her video. She posts amazing stuff, amazing recipes, amazing channel. So as per the YouTube video, I have the ingredients. We have cinnamon, we have cardamom, there's nutmeg, and of course baking powder. Then we have 200 ml of milk. Yeah, you can see it there. Then this is sugar. I think this is 1 cup. Yeah, these are measurements. I think the standard measurements. We have 1 cup. That's around 236 ml. Then we have butter, like 100 grams, 200, something like that. Butter. So all the ingredients are here, 1 tablespoon each. And our wheat flour, around half a kg. So this is like half the amount she used in the YouTube channel, because this is just a quick breakfast. So guys, I'm going to mix this and see how it comes. Let's go. Oops, I forgot something. We have 3 eggs. Finally, I almost made the recipe, but I got it before I started. I'm just heating our milk, then I'll also melt the butter. But as I do that, let me mix the wheat flour and the spices. I'm now heating the butter, so let me add some sugar. Good. Give it a mix to incorporate the sugar in the dough. Oh, I love this. So next guys, I'm going to break the eggs. 1, 2, 3. Then add our milk. Add our butter. Then stir. Oh, it's going just fine. So I'm going to stir this until it's ready. The dough is coming through very nicely. I'm loving this, man. So guys, don't hesitate to follow her YouTube channel. Let's grow together, eat together, and stay healthy together. Okay. Preliminary dough. So guys, this is the final product. My dough is ready. So this is going to make very nice mandazis for breakfast. And if you're wondering what mandazi is just like a cake, some sort of a bread, but it's a donut, but mostly is eaten in the East African region in Africa. So this is a very good breakfast donut. You can take this with tea, You can take it with stew if you like, but mostly it's taken with tea. So this is nicely done. So I'm going to use a clear film to cover it and let it sit for 20 minutes. There we go. Nicely done. So guys, I've waited for 20 minutes. Our dough is nicely done. So I'm going to spread it on the working table. Make sure it's clean. Then I'm going to use a rolling pin to spread it out and make the desired shapes that I want. So I'm going to split it to around 2 equal pieces. There we go. Then each of these I'm going to use to make my desired mandazi shapes. Spread some wheat flour so that it doesn't stick on my working table, and also on top of the mandazi dough. Then spread it here. You can add some just to make it easy to roll and turn around. So each of them I'm going to leave a height of around half a centimeter. There we go. Yeah, not a perfect circle, but this will work. Okay, nicely done. Around then using these, I'm going to cut this into blocks because I want to produce rectangles in the middle and triangles along the edges. So first I'm going to cut it there, then next one I'm going to cut it here. Oil is ready. We'll put them one by one. So turn nicely until they are all golden brown. So guys, please try it out. These are nicely done. You can see the golden brown color. Each of them is very full inside. No air spaces inside. Well prepared mandazis. You can see these. Oh my goodness, I did it. So I'll remove them from the oil to avoid overcooking. To show you something, let's split these into two. Wow, look at that. Hot. Wow, guys, this is mandazi by Alex. So guys, I did it. Delicious, soft, full, and very delicious.